I'm just gonna welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting a new series called Catbird. It's a cat and it's a bird. So let me show you the story. I have played before, I know. But, does it show you the story maybe? And, oh, you can get different characters? That's cool. But I'm trying to find the story. Is this it? Oh yeah, this is it. Watch this, guys. I love the style and the animation and the art. It's great. Nani? Stratosphere, Stratosphere, Mestosphere, Thermosphere. And the cat's alive, guys. Yeah, he fell from space and he's alive. So, I have gone pretty far. I'm just gonna do the beginnings with you guys. So, look at that. So right now, there's no need to fly, but I just... that. And then it just disappears into that black portal. And then you can hold jump. And it kind of flies, so like that. So that's cool, and you don't want to go in the milk. I know it's weird, even though he's a cat, but yeah, you don't want to go in that milk. You got the crown as well. See, you gotta try to get everything. I'm just zooming through these stages because that are hard. Because, I don't know. So this one, I don't really remember this one, but I'm just gonna do it. So let's try doing these two blocks, because obviously they gotta do something with this. Let's get this key, which opens that, and oh jeez, the screen. Okay, so I gotta remember there's something there. Yeah. No, I think we need that block, don't we? I feel like we need this block. Let's push this block. Push it more, come on. Okay. Hot, come on, make it. Yeah. It just goes in there and like the feathers pop up and then just boom. Okay, so this one, I think we're supposed to press this. There's a block there. I feel like we gotta like keep it on there. Up. He's coming. I'm gonna do this strategy. Nope. You could just fly past, but is that on? I think that is on. Yeah, definitely on. So now we just gotta not die. And everything is okay, right? Yay. Woo! That was cool. Alright. So these are obviously spikes. Do I have to go in between? I feel like I do. Obviously I didn't time it very well. Ooh! Yes. Anything up here? Yeah, 2 spikes. No! And the crown resets, I think. So that's annoying. Ooh! Ooh! That was very close. Yeah! Woo! Okay, so it's the next one. Oh, how am I supposed to do this one? This one was actually hard for me. And then you stuff in the beginning. They barely give you checkpoints. Like, so far, there's like no checkpoints. Because it's easy. Guess what? It's not easy. You guys try this yourself. It's called Cappered, by the way. Sawface is the name of this level. Makes sense, doesn't it? I wonder if we can. Yes, we can. It's here. Right, that definitely opened something. Oh, jeez. Get it right. Oh, no! No, how am I supposed to do this? How am I supposed to do this? So we definitely need the key. Like, the key mandatory, or else we're not gonna get anywhere. Yes. Yes. Oh! Are you kidding me? Let's try again. The quest of Cappered! You can even like go up and then stop. Like go up, fall, and do that. Alright, this part is not the trick. The tricky part is done. I mean, this whole stage was tricky. I got this game like yesterday. As you can see, I love this game. It's free. I'm gonna go back from here just because I can. I'm trying to go on the edge and then just do that. But then how am I supposed to get down? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this, am I? Are you kidding me? Should I end this here? Oh my god. Skip this level. This took me way too long. I don't know what stage that was. Was this stage? Nope, this is a new stage. Alright, that one was way too hard, but I have done it. It's not cheating if you've already, like, done it. Ooh, that's the problem. We need this block. Up, up, gotta push that. Come here, and we can push this. Now we can jump from that, you know, over the deadly milk. Meh, and pew, disappear. That was cool. So, wait! We did this stage, haven't we? Oh, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe the video. And I am going to be doing more Cappered. And bye! Ooh. Ha! Can't catch me. Oh no!